Welcome back to another episode. We're heading to Watauga Lake, Rat Branch, putting in at Rat Branch on our kayaks. A little rainy, a little cloudy, a little chilly as well. The weather has gotten a little bit chilly here in Tennessee. We're at the gas station filling up with Bass and coffee. Let's go. Oh snap.
We could ride the light waves together, ignore all the sound waves. How do we get so brave? How do we get so brave? And we could.
Yo, what is up, guys? We're finally here at Watauga Lake, Rat Branch. Pretty sick place. We got our kayak here. We're about to launch right here on the side with these little rocks. Let's get unloaded and go fishing. Let's give the worm a try. We got a little trickworm, weightless. A little weightless trickworm do the trick. Got him hooked up, son. We got him. What is this? What we got here? We got ourselves a nice spotted bass here. Not too bad. Guys, just got a nice little spotted bass on the weightless worm here, weightless trick worm. Let's get this guy back in the water, get him released. Look at that beauty. Yeah, buddy, let's get it. Okay, guys, been watching a little bit of tactical bassing, getting some tips from them. They've been using this for winter time, and I'm going to use it too. It's a little Kitech swim bait, I think 2.5 or 3 inches on a little jig head. I look up to them guys because they got some good tips, and it's been helping me catch some fish. So I'm gonna put this on, see if I can catch any fish on it. Their tips never let me down. There we go. A little swim bait. Pretty cool. Alright, start casting it. Can't catch a fish without our line being wet. Let's go! B&C in the house. Got him, guys. Got him. Get him in here. Get him in here. On the little swim bait. Little miniature swim bait. He took the bait off though. All I got left is a jig head. Looks like a nice little spotted bass again. Pretty good size. Not a bad fish for today. A little cold, fish feels warm. Got this bad boy on the little swim bait. I've been watching a little bit of YouTube, got some ideas, so I threw that bait. Little Kitech swim bait. Let's get him out of here. back to its home in the Great Lake of Watauga. Hope you guys enjoyed this video to Watauga Lake, little mini trip we had today. It was raining, it was cold. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll keep fishing if you guys keep coming. Smash the like button. BC over there, signing off. Keep fishing forward.